Linking your bank account to Deepnote can help streamline your financial data management. Follow these simple steps to connect your account. Step 1. Create a Deepnote account. Visit the Deepnote website and sign up for a new account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary information and verify your email to complete the registration process. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Bank Account Integration. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option related to integrations or bank account linking. Click on this option to proceed with the integration process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details. This may include your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification message or email to finalize the linking process. Now you have successfully linked your bank account to Deepnote. This will enhance your experience by allowing for better data analysis and management.